Mic check, mic check. So, hello there. As you can see, we are in n8n and yeah, this is a workflow. You are all come here to see how we got here. But before that, please like and subscribe until unless you want me to come to your house and kill you. Oh, so how should we start? How did I get here? And why am I speaking in English? Plain English. Well, I see my YouTube statistics inside my YouTube studio, and I found out all of my subscribers and viewers are English listener, and I made a video in Hindi. I don't know why, but yeah, so this video is purely English and I'm talking in English. So yeah, well, as you can see, the workflow, how did we get here and what are things we need to make it all free and probably more secure than any other workflow. So let's start. But before that, let's close everything and we are going to start from scratch. Nope, we are not going to do that. So let's start again. Probably close this. Let's just make ChatGPT open here. Let's just open the ChatGPT, close this, close all of this, close this also. Yeah, OBS Studio, let it run. So we closed everything. So how should we start? So I made a little Word document in which you will get all the steps of on how to start it. So let's just open it. The doc is here. So as you can see, first step is to start the Docker engine. So for what you need a Docker or Docker desktop, you can easily download it through your any Google account or anything. So just search it here, Dr. Docker, Docker, download, and it will open it and you will see Docker and you just download it for Windows, whatever version currently available. I don't know the version I'm currently using. Yeah, I'm a stupid guy. But yeah, you should download it. Current version, whatever is the current version is. Second, you need cloudflare.exe file. As for its link, I don't know how I found it, but I found it through ChatGPT and we are going to use it to tunnel. So let me tell you where should I store. Yeah. So in Windows, downloaded it the cloudflare.exe file. You need to download it. If I can, I'm going to put the link either in comment section or in the description, both the Word file and the Cloudflare link. So you can download it through there. And as for how we are going to start it, so let's start. First, foremost, we are going to go to Dr. Docker or Dr. Desktop. We are going to open it. And until then, what we are going to do is copy this link or copy this command. We are going to put it inside our terminal and we are going to run it inside our terminal. And I don't know why Dr. Docker is not opening. Let's just try opening it again. Why is it happen every time I start recording? Be patient. Let's see. It's Control Windows X. Open it, the terminal, and run the command. Okay, so after you start the Docker engine, it should start running. If the Docker engine is not started, it will not run. And at the end of this whole streamline, you will see something like a HTTP link. You need to copy it and put it inside your browser to start it. But as for the do but we are not there yet, so we are going to close it, and we should try to start Docker desktop because we need to set up the Docker desktop for the link to work. So let's just see if we can run it through command palette. We'll search it here. Doc, doc, dock, yeah, Docker desktop. Let's just try running it, close, and all of these tasks. Okay, so the Docker desktop is open. So what we need to do first, you will see the whole screen, but we don't need to worry about anything about the screen. So first we need to go to search and search n at n8n, and you will see the top link n8n io slash forward slash sorry n8n, and you need to pull it, and after pulling it, you inside your image file you will see something like n8n io slash n8n, and you just need to click on this button. You go to optional setting, container as for the container name you could name it anything, but for the ports for the link to work you need to put 5678, because as you can see inside this link, the local host and everything is 5678. You can put anything like 78910, 7890 or anything, but I would suggest 5678 because it is simple and Docker is also suggesting it. As for volumes or host path, where is your container gonna be? So we are going to put it in. I made a folder called n8n data, n8n data, n8n data new. We are going to select this path. As for container path, we are going to do /home /node /dot n8n. After you put this, you should run it, and but we are not going to run it through like this, but something different. But you should probably run it because it is important. After running it, you will see all those streams line we see inside our terminal, and at the end of the streamline, you will see a container, or I would say, okay, I said something wrong. At the end of the line, you will see something like a HTTP link, and if after you pasted it inside your browser, you can run an n8n for free. But we are not here to run only n8n for free, but more securely and more freely, because you need AI agents to run it, and AI costs a lot inside those agents. So what we are going to do? We are going to do something simple. We are going to do Windows X and terminal. Inside terminal, we are going to copy this link, Dr. Run It RM. As for this link, I got it through ChatGPT and it is working very fine. So I put it inside the Word file, and Word file link will be available if I put it in the description. If I didn't put it, it is not very hard to write this. You could just take a screenshot and put it. So as you can see, the whole start finish lines are over. You will see our edit it is now accessible. You can access it directly, and you will see n8n. You could run it free locally, but after this, but we are not done. After this, what we are going to do is in Cloudflare file, run this line. The line start with dot backslash, and after all of this, we are going to copy it. After copying it, we are going to open this. In this area, we are going to click it, and we are going to write PowerShell and click or enter, and inside it we are going to paste this link and enter it. After that it is going to tunnel the local host double dot 5678 that we made inside Dr. Docker. After that, after that, it will give you a link that is HTTPS, or I would say a secure link. After that, what we are going to do is look through our documents again, and it is suggesting to look if the link is working or not, and it is working. So we are going to not see this step, and we are going to look at another step. Okay, so next step, it is suggesting to close the terminal that is running the local host 5678. So we are going to close this terminal, and we need to do it. That's why we are running it in terminal, not in Dr. Desktop. And after that, it is suggesting go to ChatGPT and ask. So we are going to go to ChatGPT that we are opening here. As for the command line, we are going to paste the link it gave us and in which link we want it to convert. So I am going to put this is the Cloudflare link, convert it into this. Okay, so this is the link. This, open it, convert it into this, and make sure it is in one line so I can easily paste it inside the terminal. You could give him even extra instructions like what you want and how do you want, but simplicity is the best. And I am making a video about such a hard topic. Yeah. So it gave us the link, and we just need to open a new terminal, and after opening the terminal, paste it inside the terminal and enter. It is going to run this command. You need to just wait and wait for some time. That's all you need. And yeah, it is started streamlining the whole whole things that need to be done. And at the end of the day, it is changed. As you can see, the line here is changed. Before that, it is giving us a command that is completely different than this, and all we need to do is put it inside here and enter, and we have HTTPS command line or webhook URL that's gonna open the n8n, and we are going to run it, our whole system inside it. So yeah, we are going to wait, and while we are waiting, please like and subscribe the video, because it takes a lot of time and a lot of research to make this video. So please like and subscribe, and please, if you can, put down the suggestions in the comments on how we are going to do it better. As for this video, this video is in parts. So this is the first part where I am going to tell you how to start the whole system, and after in second part that I am probably gonna post in 3 to 4 days, or maybe even more, depending on how this video perform. That's why please like and subscribe and watch this video completely. It helps a lot. Okay. And in the second part, I am going to tell you how to set up the whole thing, like Google, how to set up the Google files, how to set up your local, or how can I say it, your local AI that's gonna run whole system. Password, you can write your password here, and next, whole Telegram system and everything, and we are going to run it, we are going to debug it, and a lot of things we are going to, like how it's gonna work, everything we are going to do it. It started. This thing is gonna give you a free paid features because you are running it locally, and it didn't cost them a single dime apart from making this. So start from scratch, click on this button. After click, I have the whole workflow inside a downloaded template that I made. So I'm going to import it directly. My workflow to .json, open it, and this is the whole workflow. As you can see, we are going to use Olama. So I would probably suggest you should have Olama on your system, Olama desktop version, or you can even download a terminal version or anything, but you should have Olama on your system. If I can, I'm going to put the link to download Olama, and in next video what we are going to do is we are going to set up this whole, we are going to download a Olama model, we are going to run it for free, we are going to set up we are going to set up the whole Telegram triggers, we are going to set up the whole Google worksheet triggers, we are going to merge it, we are going to put the whole AI's instructions that we want AI to tell. We are going to set up this whole thing. So please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.